Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car battery chargers that are available on the market today. Whether you're looking for something affordable, heavy-duty, or a versatile option with premium features, we've got you covered. You can find links to all the products in the description below. So, let's jump right in. At number 5, we have the PCHH 12-volt, 24-volt heavy-duty car battery charger. This charger is a robust option for those who need a durable, high-capacity device. It is built with a solid metal and ABS casing and weighs a hefty 12.4 pounds, which speaks to its heavy-duty design and high-quality construction. This charger is compatible with a variety of lead-acid batteries, including AGM, gel, EFB, and deep cycle types, making it ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and marine vehicles. The PCHH charger offers 2 charging rates, fast charge and trickle charge, and automatically detects if your battery is 12-volt or 24-volt. Its repair mode can revive dead batteries with a voltage above 3-volt, which is a lifesaver for neglected or idle vehicles. A standout feature is its winter mode, designed to deliver optimal charging in colder climates, ensuring your battery is ready to go even in freezing temperatures. Plus, the LCD digital display provides clear and precise charging information, such as voltage, current, and charging percentage. However, its weight and size might make it less portable compared to other models, and the lack of a listed price makes it harder to evaluate its value proposition. That said, this charger is a solid choice for those who need a stable, heavy-duty option for larger vehicles or frequent use. Pros include its rugged build, ability to charge and maintain a variety of battery types, and safety features like reverse polarity and overcharge protection. The downside is its bulkiness and potential lack of portability. Coming in at number 4 is the YONHAN 20A 12V24V battery charger. This charger is a high-capacity option designed for faster charging, with a 20A output for 12V batteries and 10A for 24V batteries. It's compatible with a wide range of batteries, including Li-Fi PO4, AGM, GEL, and deep cycle batteries, making it a versatile choice for cars, trucks, boats, and even golf carts. Its 7-stage charging process ensures efficiency and safety, and it automatically switches to maintenance mode once the battery is fully charged. What sets this charger apart is its high-efficiency pulse repair mode, which can help recover old or idle batteries and extend their lifespan. The winter mode is another great feature, especially for those living in colder climates. It adjusts charging to prevent battery drain in low temperatures. The extra-large LCD screen is easy to read and provides all the essential information, including charge voltage, current, and temperature. Additionally, this charger includes multiple safety protections, such as reverse polarity protection, short-circuit prevention, and overcharge safeguards. While it offers impressive functionality, the YONHAN 20A charger is a bit bulky, and it's not suitable for completely dead batteries or lithium batteries. However, for users who need fast, reliable charging and advanced repair capabilities, this product is an excellent choice. Pros include its fast charging speed, advanced repair mode, and clear LCD display. Cons are its size and limited compatibility with certain battery types. At number 3, we have the Schumacher electric fully automatic SC1281 battery charger and engine starter. This premium option is a powerhouse, offering 100 amp engine start, 30 amp boost, and versatile charging at 6-volt and 12-volt levels. It's compatible with standard AGM, gel, and deep cycle batteries, making it suitable for gas and diesel vehicles, motorcycles, trucks, and even marine batteries. The SC1281 also serves as a battery and alternator tester, allowing you to quickly diagnose potential issues. This charger is packed with advanced features, including reverse polarity protection and an automatic desulfation mode to recondition batteries and extend their lifespan. The smart trickle charge function ensures your battery stays safely maintained over time without overcharging. The 6-foot power cord and booster cables offer decent reach, and its robust design feels built to last. The only real downside here is the price. At $89.57, it's the most expensive option on our list. Its weight of 12.65 pounds also makes it less portable than smaller chargers. That said, if you're looking for a premium, feature-rich option that can handle heavy-duty tasks like engine starting, this is the charger for you. Pros include its versatility, engine starting capability, and diagnostic features. Cons are its higher price tag and bulkier size. The SC1281 also serves as a battery and alternator tester, allowing you to quickly diagnose potential issues. This charger is packed with advanced features, including reverse polarity protection and an automatic desulfation mode to recondition batteries and extend their lifespan. The smart trickle charge function ensures your battery stays safely maintained over time without overcharging. The smart trickle charge function ensures your battery stays safely maintained over time. Taking the number 2 spot is the YONHAN 10 amp, 12-volt, 24-volt, fully automatic battery charger. This compact yet powerful charger is an excellent all-around option for everyday use. It's designed to work with all 12-volt and 24-volt lead-acid batteries, including AGM, gel, SLA, and flooded types, making it versatile for cars, motorcycles, boats, and more. The smart thermal sensor adjusts charging based on the ambient temperature, preventing overcharging or undercharging in extreme weather. The backlit LCD display is a standout feature, showing real-time information like voltage, current, power percentage, and temperature. It also remembers your last charging mode, which is a convenient touch for regular users. The charger includes a repair mode to revive older batteries and a trickle charge mode to maintain them over time. With built-in safety features like reverse polarity protection and short-circuit prevention, it's a reliable choice for peace of mind. While it's not the fastest charger on this list, its combination of functionality, ease of use, and safety features make it a great value. Pros include its user-friendly design, compatibility with a range of batteries, and advanced safety features. The main con is that it's not suitable for batteries with a voltage below 0.3 volt or damaged lithium batteries. Finally, at number 1, we have the NOCO GENIUS1 1A Smart Battery Charger. As the most budget-friendly option on our list, this little powerhouse delivers incredible value for its price. It's a 6-volt/12-volt charger that's compatible with lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries, including AGM, GEL, and deep cycle types. Despite its small size, it's packed with features like temperature compensation to ensure precise charging in any weather. The GENIUS1 can charge deeply discharged batteries down to 0 volts using its force mode, making it a great choice for reviving neglected batteries. It's also a trickle charger, battery maintainer, and desulfator all in one, offering exceptional versatility. Its precision pulse charging helps reverse sulfation and extend battery life, while the integrated thermal sensor prevents overcharging in hot weather or undercharging in cold. At just 15.2 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to store. While it's not the fastest charger and lacks the heavy-duty capacity of larger models, its simplicity, affordability, and reliability make it the best choice for everyday users. Pros include its compact size, affordability, and multiple charging modes. The only con is its lower amperage, which means it may not be suitable for larger batteries or faster charging needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, take care and happy charging.